So this is my very weird den. I have an Arctic wolf being burned by flame, and then I have a sled with a gecko on it that is falling off a waterfall. So, and my buddy is here, but this is my main. And as you can see, I collect stuff. But soon this will be my member account. So, yes, that's what I'm going to do.
Terrier?
So my giveaway is going to be this deer toy and the seal toy. And so, make sure to enter it and just comment, subscribe, and like this video and comment why you want my list. I'm going to be giving 2 people. Well, I'm going to be giving one person one and then another person the other. So, yes. Bye.
There's the beans.